In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Shopify store ownership. Whether you're selling your store or simply passing it on to a new administrator, the process might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, it's actually quite manageable. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the knowledge you need to transfer your store successfully and ensure a seamless transition for all parties involved. First, let's begin with why transferring store ownership might be necessary. Perhaps you've built a successful business, and you're ready to cash in on your hard work, or maybe you're stepping away and need someone else to take the reins. Transferring ownership is a crucial step to ensure that your business continues to operate smoothly. To start, log into your Shopify account. This will bring you to your Shopify admin dashboard, your hub for managing your store. Once there, look for the Settings option located on the bottom left side of your screen. Clicking on Settings will unveil a menu of options. From here, you'll select Users and Permissions. This section is where you manage the various individuals who can access your store's backend, and crucially, it's where you'll initiate the transfer of ownership. Now, let's get to the heart of the process, adding the new owner. In the Users and Permissions section, you'll see a list of current users. You'll want to click on Add Staff, which will prompt you to enter the new owner's email address. Make sure you're providing the correct and active email address. This is important for the new owner to receive notifications. After entering their details, make sure to grant them full permissions. This step is essential because it ensures that the new owner has all the necessary access to manage the store effectively. Once you've completed those steps, navigate back to the Users and Permissions page. Here, you will click on the name of the new owner you just added. At this point, you'll see an option to transfer ownership. When you click on this, Shopify will guide you through the steps to officially transfer the business to another person. Confirm the transfer and, just like that, the new owner should receive an email with instructions on how to complete the process on their end. It's worth noting that when you transfer ownership, you'll become a staff member with restricted access, which means you can still help out during the transition, but no longer have full control. So, make sure you have completed any specific tasks that require full permissions before finalizing the transfer. And there you have it, transferring the ownership of your Shopify store can be done in just a few straightforward steps. Ensuring that you follow these steps carefully will provide a seamless transition, maintaining the integrity and continuity of your business operations. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has provided you with the clarity and confidence needed to transfer your Shopify store ownership successfully.